So hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Um sorry. So hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for the love and support you all have given to me, and cheers to 50 subscribers. And thanks for missing me though. I like I wasn't active for last few days as I wasn't well, and I want to tell the people in Ireland, the Goan people, if you're not well or like anything is like if even if it's like a small thing, even if you're not well, I feel like you should do a GP or like GP is more like you just have to pay 65 euro and like for example in Cork there's a medical hub, and the people staying in Cork will know where it is. But just for the information, like from the bus station, it's just 5 minutes or not more than like 5 to 8 minutes walk from the bus station. And yeah, it's a medical hub, and for they don't take like first come first serve. It's not like that. You have to take an appointment prior. So it's there's a site there, I can mention it on my description, and you should register yourself over there. On the consultation you just write, like even if you're sick or anything, just write there and then you'll get registered by them. uh, the card is not that important, but registering yourself is more like, for example, if you go there and if any of the emergency or anything is there, and if they don't have any of the um like equipment with them, so they're gonna consult to you, as in they're gonna transfer you from the private one to the government one, which will be either CUH or MUH. So after going there you don't have to pay anything, and you just have to go in the emergency department, and yeah, they're gonna take care of it. But it takes time, guys, but like make sure your health is good, because health is more important. And yeah, so that's the only thing. If you are like, if you don't have GP and you really have to go near a doctor, you can either go CUH or MUH. They just gonna charge you 100 euro. But if you have a GP, just there will be a number given to you guys. You just have to give it to the emergency department, and it's gonna be lesser amount. Or else, for the better version, you can do a health insurance. It's around 600 or something like that. But depend before it was like depending on your salary, you had to have less income. But now it's not like that. You can do a health insurance which will be like very less. Like, for example, if you're going for an operation, it will be just 100 for anything. Like, so yeah, that's the thing I would suggest to you guys, because I've been to CUH, MUH every time, and I was on treatment again and again, as you can see here. So yeah, basically don't risk your life. Yeah, that's all I want to say. And thanks for really missing me, guys, and the ones who have given me like lots of love and support and kept me on prayers. Thank you so much. And yeah, special thanks to Bebo and her dog, my best friend. They were like giving me motivation even when I was not well. And all my friends from here who came and like visited me in the hospital and all, thanks to you guys. Thanks to my husband Francisco. Like he was there in my ups and downs, like when I wasn't well, and I had to leave the job and everything. So yeah, thank you so much. So leaving everything aside, leaving everything aside, today's video gonna be on my brother-in-law birthday. I normally call him broski. Yeah, so unknowingly they are coming tomorrow, as in I feel like midnight. But I'm gonna prepare a cake for him. And see, I'm not a baker, but I do try, and I tried it on Francisco's birthday, but the structure wasn't good. But the cake, the taste of it, the fluffiness, the moisture was too good. So I'm gonna try the cake again and show it to you guys. How do I try it? Don't judge me for like how like يعني cake كشكون كلها كون. So you know, I'm giving it a second try, and I'm trying to be good with the structure of the outer layer. And yeah, so love, and yeah, I'll show you how I'm going to do it. And but to okay, so hey guys, and okay, you will be needing this one. So layering ko tamko sort kaina so equal halle. So and then for the cake I'll be using this one. You just have to add eggs, water, but I will be also adding this one, the baking powder. You can get it from Tesco. And I'll be even doing the cupcakes, so I brought it this. For cupcakes I will be using this. I already used it for Francisco's birthday, so just one is left. Then the eggs, I brought the small little happy birthday over here. Then the chocolate, this one. Then this one you will get it in Tesco just for €2. And then I brought the chunks and the chips over here. Yeah, so let's go. So guys, so everything is written up here with this one. And yeah, we'll have to preheat the oven and like 190, and fan will be 150. Yeah, so yeah, so timer, I'll just keep the timer here. This will be the fan, and 190. Yeah, so basically preheat कर दो. Okay, see you. Okay, like the whole bag in there. The smell is so good. Okay, here you go. And then it says 2 medium eggs. Perfect. And then it says 120 of water. Perfect. So media. So to 120 ml of water gallon media. So guys, it will gailan don't eggs and 120 ml water. So now I'll be adding this one as well for a little fluffiness. Yeah, and it's also good for gluten-free baking. Yeah, so let's see. One spoon. So guys, beachpon dhalmuji ashpon distale, so I feel like this is okay at the moment. And now we'll take this one and we'll put butter all over, and then put little bit of this into this. So let's go. And now because the fluffies are old soda, so I did it this much at the moment, and then we'll do the second layer as well. So guys, at 20 minutes and so we'll wait. Guys, I'm gonna lata vazare and here you go. Buku yang long stand kan kita gini. And then knife. Hopefully beri ko nila bro. And then wow. Okay guys, so bake pork झालं. There you go. As you can see, Masha oirela, but if you can see, fluffiness is quite good. But I chunks. Guys, this is the first layer. Now we'll do the second layer, the same procedure with the butter on it, and then this is the second layer we're gonna cook all over, and that was the first layer. Yeah, let's go another 20 minutes. See you guys. Second layer will be ready, so I should gaila. And yeah, and the chocolate gantala. And my first ever cake, guys. So here you go. So hey guys, that was the process for the cake. Hopefully I did my best and hope you guys liked it. And do please subscribe and like, hit the bell icon. And here you go, my pretty cake. So guys, I'm cupcake करपा use करता हूँ. So इतने 4 है तो इसमें को एक अज़ल है. Then इतने गाइला. So it requires, everything is written up here, but I'll tell you. So 2 eggs, then 8 inch of butter, vegetable oil 50 grams, and milk with 30 ml. That's all you need for this. So guys, mixture ready kong cupcakes ready kong the chocolate with guys, आमगे cupcakes ready है आता, आणि cake आणि जेवणा prawns fried rice आणि butter chicken करता आणि थोडेसे chicken fry करता. So if तुम recipes है, so please recommend. Thank you. Bye bye. So here guys, आमगे cupcakes and this is the cake. There you go. So 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear God. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Thank you.